Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and I'm back with a new learning opportunity that is Marking Minds case study competition. Now, here we'll talk about some important things who will be eligible for participating in the competition. First of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now, coming to the competition directly, here you need to understand who are eligible for participating in this challenge. So, any undergraduate, postgraduate, or even engineering students, management students, arts, commerce, science, law, and medical means everyone can take part in it. First of all, you need to understand about this event. So here the event is open to all students enrolled in any of the course. Okay, in any year. There is no limitation whether is you are in final year or maybe in first year. And here you need to form a team. Minimum two members are required and maximum four members. You can form a team with your friends also or who are just studying in any college. You can just form a team with them also. Apart from this, cross college, like if you are studying in different college also, then also you can take part in it. And make sure that you do not create multiple accounts and participate under multiple teams. You need to be in single team only, form a team of two members or even up to four members. Now here are some important deadlines. Now what you have to do, first of all, there will be multiple rounds. First round is online assessment. Now here registered teams will be getting some online assessment, means they'll be giving some you quiz kind of thing. Okay, you have to answer the questions, like it will contain some of the brand taglines, campaign marketing concepts. So it's basically related to marketing. You can just read and learn about it. Apart from this, after that, once you pass this online assessment round, which you have to register over here. First of all, register over here and then register over here, right? I'll share the link in the description. You can check it out. The second round will be on 2nd of February. Okay. So it will be executive round, and here you have to showcase your progress. Here you have to submit two concise presentation. Okay, here you have to address all the queries, means whatever topics they'll provide, you can just reach out to them. With that, you have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. After that, there will be final round where they will be just checking out 7 to 8 slider presentation. Okay, on the provided case, they'll provide a case and you have to attach the same case for your reference. And after that, all the things you have to share. Okay, the naming section, all things will be informed to you via email. You can just check it out. Also, for more information, you can read out over here. And after that, there will be final rounds where you'll be winning. Now here some important things that registration will be closing on 30th of January. So hurry up and register in this event. And the assessment will start on 1st of February, and after that final round is on 15th of February. If you have any query, you can simply send your queries over here. You can see multiple cash prizes and everyone will be getting a certificate. So make sure to take part in it. Apart from this, if you want to know about other events, there are multiple events like Google Cloud Arcade, GFG, Technical Scripter, and this Imagine deconstruct internship. There are multiple hirings going on. There are multiple Google Cloud events and other things. You can just check it out in the channel. I've shared all the links in the description. So thank you. Have a great day ahead and do like the video and just subscribe the channel.